Hey guys, welcome back to Just Now. So today I have something super cool, super exciting. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Okay, no, okay, that's a lie. But I always heard about this thing. I've always like kind of seen some stuff about it. I never was really interested in it. And then eventually I kind of started like, I wonder like how this product would work. Like I wasn't super intrigued by it. I guess it came with age that I'm like, okay, I need this in my life. So today I have an unboxing and review for you guys, and I'm so excited about it. So let's get started. The item that I have today for you guys is a juicer. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. So just a little bit of background story. My mom and I was talking about it and she kind of got into it, juicing. She thinks that it's super cool. She gave me a recipe that I'm gonna try today. And I thought it'd be cool to, record it for my YouTube channel. And here we go. I bought myself a relatively cheap one. It was only like 40 bucks. They have more expensive ones. They obviously have like more like, larger ones and more expensive, but I thought for my first time trying the juice, I don't even know if I'm gonna like it. So let me try, save some money and get one that, is cost friendly and still gets the job done, hopefully. I have oranges, I have lemons, I have celery, and turmeric. So let's get to unboxing. You can see there's an on button right here. I'm assuming that's where the juice comes out. That's where you put the juice in, or the fruits, or whatever you're using. I'm assuming this is where the pulp tray, this is where the pulp comes out. And you just put it. That's loud. Okay, so I just opened it and it's actually very scary. I would not mess with this thing. Keep your finger away from that on, off button. Keep away because it's extremely scary. This is what it looks like. And those are all blades. Like everything in here is like blades. Yeah, very sharp. I will not mess with this. Keep this away from the kids. But yeah. Okay, so I have all my ingredients. And let me tell you, it smells good over here. It smells great. It smells like citrus. I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how this juicer works. My first time trying it, so wish me luck. Okay, so I finished and this is what it made, and I had a little bit of extra. So I made a jar and a half. This is an anti-inflammatory recipe. It kind of helps, relax anything that might be inflamed in your body. Like for me, I have asthma, so my lungs are sometimes inflamed, which causes me to have asthma and like wheeze. So I thought this might help me. My mom gave me the recipe and I think it's super cool. It's cute. It doesn't smell bad, but I heard it's not the greatest taste. They say just a shot of this a day is fine. That's all you need. So I got a shot glass and we're gonna taste it. It smells like ginger and oranges. Wow. I don't even know the word. Sour. Wow. But it wasn't bad. And I have this left. Very, very sour. I had to be careful with that. But it wasn't terrible, so I do recommend it. If you guys like this video, please like, share, comment, tell everybody you know. Give me some recipes in the comments if you know any, because I would love to make some new things. I also have celery, and I have more oranges, so I'm thinking maybe making some orange juice for my house, but just more recipes that are cool and, like, you know, good for my health as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.